Indoor air quality, IAQ, is a significant problem at industrial facilities worldwide, and it's primarily caused by airborne dust from industrial processes. That's why facilities use dust collection systems. However, these systems can become hazardous if not adequately protected. When a suspended cloud of combustible dust is present in high concentration in an enclosed vessel, explosions become more likely. Unfortunately, this is precisely the condition that dust collectors create. If a spark gets drawn in by a fan, the dust cloud can ignite, triggering an explosion that sends heat, flames, and dangerous projectiles into the workplace. This can critically injure personnel and damage equipment and structures. The source of the spark could be a production process, a static electricity discharge from nearby equipment, or even a cigarette. OSHA requires companies to protect workers from combustible dust hazards by following guidelines created by the NFPA. These guidelines include combustible dust standards and industry-specific NFPA standards. NFPA 652 requires all facilities that create or process dust to complete a dust hazard analysis. Dust collection systems are a crucial element of this analysis, with the housing being the most important area, as most explosions occur there. The best way to protect the housing is to install an explosion protection system that complies with all NFPA guidelines. The goal of any explosion protection equipment is to control an explosion, keep employees safe, and minimize damage. Most facilities use explosion venting, which safely vents the gases and pressures from a deflagration to minimize damage and injury to workers in the area. NFPA 68 and 69 set the criteria for the design, location, installation, maintenance, and use of these systems. Here's how they work. The dust inside the collector combusts, which increases the pressure inside. The explosion vent releases when the pressure reaches an unsafe level. The vent opens, allowing pressure and flame front to exit to a safe area. Other explosion protection options include flameless venting, explosion isolation, and safety monitoring filters. Specifying the correct NFPA-compliant explosion protection technology for the dust collector minimizes personnel injury, equipment damage, and structural failures. Besides safety, there are other important considerations when specifying a dust collector. Sizing the system, equipment orientation, fan and ducting requirements, necessary velocity, total cost of ownership, to name a few. Choosing the right type of filters for the specific application is also critical. This includes selection of filter media, pleating technology, and filter design. CAMFIL dust collection experts can evaluate the type of facility, processes, and dust type using our dust testing lab. This enables us to recommend the best system for IAQ that will protect workers and comply with all safety regulations. Call us today or go to camphilapc.com.